Hi! It's me again, Ma'am Nov, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we will discuss about arithmetic sequence. Are you now ready? Get your pen and notebook and let's learn. So we have this example here. 4, 7, 10, 13. Number 2, 33, 38, 43, 48. Negative 2, negative 6, negative 10, and negative 4. Can you tell me if it is a sequence or not? Okay, let's recall. It is a sequence kapag may pattern. May nakikita ba kayong pattern? Okay, that's right. May pattern, di ba? So, dito, 4, in-add lang ng 3, naging 7. Naging 10, naging 13. So, ang pattern dito is 3. Dito naman is 5. Dito kaya, negative 4. So, there are sequences where the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. The constant is called the common difference, denoted by D, and the said sequence is called an arithmetic sequence. So, arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. So, yung kanina, ang pattern is 3. Nag-add lang tayo ng 3 from the first term. So, 4 plus 3 naging 7. 7 plus 3 naging 10. 10 plus 3 naging 13, and so on. So, ang tawag daw sa sequence na ito is arithmetic sequence. Why? Because every term after the first term is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. Nag-add lang tayo ng constant sa kanila, which is yung common difference. So, we have 3 ang kanyang common difference. Dito kaya, is this an arithmetic sequence? May common difference ba sa kanila? That's right, meron 5. So, 33 plus 5 naging 38. 38 plus 5 naging 43. 43 plus 5 naging 48. Dito kaya, is this an arithmetic sequence? That's right, may common difference din sa kanila. So, kapag may common difference, that is called an arithmetic sequence. Negative 2 plus negative 4 naging negative 6. Negative 6 plus negative 4 naging negative 10. Negative 10 plus negative 4 naging negative 14. Now, let's try this. Number of infected health workers every week in a certain hospital. We have number of weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number of infected health workers, 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on. So, can you see the pattern here? Sa first week, 9. Sa second week, naging 18, naging 27, naging 36, and so on. That's right. 9 ang pattern. So, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. And kapag may constant, may common difference sa kanila, ang tawag sa sequence na yan is arithmetic sequence. And ang tawag naman sa 9, which is, yung common sa kanila is common difference. Now, let us determine whether each sequence is an arithmetic sequence. So, try natin dito. Ano kaya ang common difference? By the way, paano ba kunin ang common difference? Okay, so, subtract lang natin. Okay, so, second term minus first term is 9. Third term minus second term is 9. Fourth term minus third term is 9. So, ganyan lang. Subtract lang natin from second term, subtract natin ng first term. So, 9. So, dito, try natin subtract. Okay? 31 minus 21 is 10. 41 minus 31 is 10. 51 minus 41 is 10. That's right. So, this is called an arithmetic sequence. How about letter B? 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 16 minus 8, 8. So, 2, 4, and 8. Hindi na common ang kanilang difference. That is why that is not an arithmetic sequence kasi wala silang common difference. How about number 1? Let's identify the common difference bago natin masasabi na arithmetic sequence siya. So, 8 minus 10, negative 2. 6 minus 8, negative 2. 4 minus 6, negative 2. 2 minus 4, negative 2. Which means this is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of negative 2. O ito, example kanina, very easy. That's right, 3. So, ang common difference sa kanila is 3. That is why that is called an arithmetic sequence. How about this? Negative 2 minus negative 3. Anong sagot? Positive 1. 0 minus negative 2. Positive 2. 3 minus 0. 3. 7 minus 3. Positive 4. So, ang difference is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which means this is not an arithmetic sequence. How about number 4? That's right. Ang kanilang common difference is 0.5 kasi 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. 2 minus 1.5 is 0.5 and so on. So, this is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 0.5. How about number 5? That's right. Number 5 is not an arithmetic sequence kasi wala silang common difference. 43 minus 13 is 30. 53 minus 43 is 10. So, yan pa lang, hindi na common ang kanilang difference. So, that is not called an arithmetic sequence. So, let a sub 1 to a sub 5 as the terms of an arithmetic sequence and d as a common difference. So, this is now the formula of an arithmetic sequence. So, let's find the next 3 terms of the sequence. Negative 4, 3, 10, and 17. So, again, hahanapin natin yung tatlong terms after ng 17. Which means, pang ilang term? Okay, 5th term, 6th term, and 7th term. First, identify muna natin, ano ba ang first term? That's right, negative 4. Next, identify natin, ano ba ang common difference? 3 minus negative 4 is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. 17 minus 10 is 7. So, ang common difference is 7. Next, saan galing ang n equals 5? Because hahanapin natin yung 5th term. So, meaning, ang n natin is 5. And then, we will just substitute it sa ating formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, first, ano ba ang ating first term? Negative 4 plus n natin is 5 minus 1. Our d, common difference, is 7. So, using a PEMDAS rule, so, operate muna natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. Times 7 is 28. Tsaka natin i-add plus negative 4. So, our 5th term is 24. So, may 5th term na tayo. 6th term na naman. So, if 6th term ang hinahanap, what is our n? 6. That's right. So, our n is 6. So, substitute lang natin lahat. 6 minus 1 is 5. Times 7 is 35. Plus negative 4 is 31. So, our 6th term is 31. Next, 7th term kasi find the next 3 terms eh. So, 7th term. So, our n is 7 na naman. Okay? So, substitute lang lahat. Negative 4, our first term. 7 minus 1 times 7, which is our common difference. So, 7 minus 1 is 6 times 7 is 42 plus negative 4 is 38. So, our 3 terms after 17 is 24, 31, and 38. Next, the data below indicate that the number of violators of ECQ guidelines. Okay, so find the 10th term. So we will find the A sub 10. So we have 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. First, what is our first term? 15, that's right. What is our common difference? 10. Saan galing ang 10? 25 minus 15 is 10. 35 minus 25 is 10, and so on. So, ang common difference is 10. Next, what is our n? 10 pa rin. Why? Because we will get the A sub 10 or the 10th term. So, our n is 10. So, substitute lang natin lahat sa formula. So, we have 15, our A sub 1, plus 10 minus 1, our n is 10, and D is 10. So, 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90, plus 15 is 105. So, on the 10th day, there were 105 violators. Next, find the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence 30, 26, 22, 18. First, let's find the first term. What is the first term? 30. What is a common difference? 26 minus 30. Negative 4. 22 minus 26, negative 4. So, our common difference is negative 4. And what is our n? Since we will get the 15th term. That's right, our n is 15. Then, substitute lang lahat sa formula. So, we have our first term is 30. Our n is 15. And our common difference is negative 4. So, 15 minus 1, 14 times negative 4 is negative 56. Plus 30 is negative 26. So, the 15th term is negative 26. Next, in the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, which term is 401? Iba na naman dito. Okay, so, hahanapin natin pang ilang term si 401 sa sequence na 5, 9, 13, 17. So first, what is our first term? 5, that's right. What is our common difference? 4, that's right. What is our n? Siyempre, hindi natin alam kasi si n ang hinahanap natin. Pero, may last term tayo which is 401. Okay, so the problem asks for n when a sub n equals 401. So, again, substitute lang natin sa formula. Since may a sub n na tayo, so substitute na lang natin si 401. Okay, so 401 equals 5, which is yung first term, plus n, which is yung unknown, minus 1, times yung common difference, which is 4. Okay, so simplify natin yung nasa right-hand side ng equation. So, distribute natin si 4. 4 times n is 4n. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And then simplify. 5 minus 4 is positive 1. So, naging 4n plus 1. And then, so, we have 401 equals 4n plus 1. And it becomes 400 na para matanggal si positive 1 sa kabila. Okay? So, we have 400 equals 4n. Divide natin both sides by 4. So, cancel na ito. So, naging n na lang. And 400 divided by 4 is 100. Which means, 401 is in the 100th term. Diba? Very easy lang. Given the 33rd term, which is 80, and the common difference of 2, find the first term. Hala, hahanapin natin si first term. So, ano yung given? yung 33rd term, which is 80, and yung common difference is 2. So, a sub 33 is 80, and common difference is 2. Since our a sub 33, 80, is equal to 80, our n is 33. Dito galing. Okay? So, substitute lang natin sa formula. We have may a sub n na tayo, which is 80, equals our first term na hinahanap, a sub 1, plus our n is 33, okay, minus 1 times our common difference, which is 2. So, 32 times 2 is 64. Okay? So, 64 minus 64, naging 0. That's why naging a sub 1. 80 minus 64 is 16. That is why our a sub 1 is 16. Now, try to answer on your module. Study well. Thank you for listening. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay at home and help your parents.